Hi guys, so for today's video, I'm gonna show you how I brush my cat. She really loves to have a brush. Come on. This is Cola. You say hi to the viewers. And she get a brushie every morning. You say hi to the viewers. You like the brushie? So we have three types of brush and comb. We have this retractable brush. We have the claw and we have the regular comb. This one is really good for the outer parts of the shedding, and this one is good for the knots, and this one is good for the underneath. Okay, come on, hold that. As soon as you put the brush on, she will lie down on the floor. You like it? Aww. You say hi to the viewers, Cola. This is our Cola. She's turning 5 months already this April. Oh yeah, it's just a couple of days na lang na. Right, Cola? See how much hair I get from it? So you just keep on brushing. And also the tail. Oh, it's Fenty. She is a Persian Siberian cat, so she gets a lot of fur every day. And I get a lot of shedding from the brushing every morning as well. Cats like to have their brush under their cheeks and on the neck. This is one of her favorite ones. Right, Cola? Wow. What? But they doesn't like to brush their tummy. So see? Okay. And also the tail. And also the butt. Okay. Calm. She's so calm. You say hi to the viewers, Cola. Hello, viewers. And now this is what I got from the comb. That one. Plenty. You will just have to remove it. And this is what we got from her. That's the first brush that we got. And then we do the claw. The claw gets the nuts inside of her fur, if there are nuts. See, it's an instant you got a lot of this one fur. Right, Cola? There will be a lot underneath. The most important one is the neck and the underarm, because that's very hard to get. And also the belly, because they don't like their belly to be touched. See? You got plenty, Cola. It's plenty. And the last one is the comb. Okay, this will get all the inside, the inner knots. See? We got plenty right away. They usually have a lot of fur under the tail, because the tail is very long. And then the belly. Okay, come on. We're so lucky to have Cola because she's such an angel. She's very quiet, very calm. And we got her on her 4th month already. But we try to pick her up always, so that she'll be used to people get grabbing her always. Yeah. I just told the viewers I grab you easily. Is that alright? Is that alright? Yes. Mm. You will have your vitamins now. You want your vitamins already? Your brushing is done now. Go, Lucky, say bye-bye. Bye to the viewers. Bye.